We don't settle. We refine. We rethink. We outwork and outshine. Because at Williams, Made in America isn't nostalgia. It's now. It's precision. It's pride. It's proving that quality still matters. From Carthage, Missouri, to every corner of the country, our lighting does more than illuminate. It elevates. Wherever people learn, heal, and create, Williams is there, built to last. Every day, we push the boundaries, designing, engineering, and building smarter, better lighting solutions. Because excellence isn't a benchmark, it's a mindset. Step inside, and you'll feel it. This is more than just a factory. It's a legacy over a century in the making. This is Williams, built to the highest standard. Yours.